Duncan students. I present my experiment, How Do Leaves Breathe? The materials are water, 2 glass containers, magnifying glass, 2 stones, scissors, and 2 different types of leaves. To follow this experiment, number 1, place the sheet in the glass container. Second of all, drain the water onto the sheet. Third of all, place a stone on top of the leaf. And fourth of all, place the sun for 2 hours. Hours later, now there are small bubbles that are now observed in various parts of the leaves. Then I'll take the magnifying glass to better observe the bubbles that have appeared on the leaves. Thanks for your attention.